Got another freight train coming. I'm gonna wait here, keep the camera on, because another freighter. So guys, how's your day going? I think another freight train is coming, so I'm gonna keep the camera on. And it is snowing out here, so I might cut the camera off and cut it back on when I see another train. But oh guys, I know what it was. I think I know what it was. Another train's not coming, I don't think. It's because I just remembered there's a train there, like way down there. If I zoom in there, way down there, there's a railroad crossing, and that train, the intermodal, is about to cross over. So I don't think there is another train. But yeah, I'll cut the camera off if I see another train. So until then, guys, peace.